In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This is the Overhead Door O3T-A. That's what we'll be looking at today, and this is very easy to do yourself at home. You don't need any special tools. All you'll need is one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check out the link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now let's get right into it. Flip this over, and you just want to pull the clip right out. It will slide out, and now we can use this to open up the garage door opener. You can see on the bottom left there's an opening. Just insert the clip in there and gently twist. This will open right up. Now just pull this apart. We want to take the side that has the circuit board here and just gently pull that out. And you can now see the battery is right in there. You want to first push it out to get it started, and then gently pull the old battery out of there. Now, once you get your new battery, which is a CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign is facing up when you slide it in. Just push it all the way back into place. Now, we're gonna just set this back in there. You can see the circle that should match up with the kind of key ring part, and it will just click into place. All we need to do now is click this back together. And you can put the clip back in there as well. There you go, you have a new battery in there, and this will work right away. You don't need to reprogram it or anything like that, so you are finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, feel free to leave a like or comment, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.